Hello everyone, greetings from joylot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci rimless eyeglasses, model GG1221O in color code 001. The color of the frame is black, and these glasses are a rimless, rectangular shape. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in gold, and the bridge is gold. The temples are gold and black, and you'll find the GG Gucci emblem in gold and the green and red Gucci colorway on its temples. This is the inside of the frame. Inside its nose pads, you'll find the GG Gucci emblem in gold. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Japan, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number and color code of the frame and the dimensions of the frame. 56 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag with the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet this manufacturer is carrying, and a Gucci cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out joylot.com, and have a joyful day.